Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Iram Habib. Today we will discuss the what is thrombocytopenia and its various causes. The normal count of platelet in a normal human being is 150,000 to 400,000 platelets per microliter, and when the count is less than 100,000 cells, or 100,000 platelets per microliter, it is considered to constitute thrombocytopenia. Reduction in platelet number or thrombocytopenia, it constitute an important cause of generalized bleeding. Platelet count in the range of 20,000 to 50,000 platelets per microliter can aggravate post-traumatic bleeding, while platelet count less than 20,000 platelets may be associated with spontaneous or non-traumatic bleeding. Bleeding resulting from thrombocytopenia is associated with a normal PT and PTT. PT and PTT, they are disturbed when the coagulation factor or the clotting coagulation cascade is disturbed. And in case of bleeding resulting from thrombocytopenia, the BT or the bleeding time will be prolonged, but the PT test is obsolete now. Platelets are critical for hemostasis in that they form temporary plugs that stop bleeding and promote key reactions in the coagulation cascade. Spontaneous bleeding associated with thrombocytopenia most often involves small vessels. Common site for such hemorrhages are the skin and mucous membranes of the gastrointestinal and genitourinary tracts. Most feared, however, is the intracranial bleed, which is a threat to any patient with markedly depressed platelet count. The cause of thrombocytopenia, it falls into four major categories, and we will see them one by one. The first cause is decreased platelet production, and this abnormality is usually encountered at the level of bone marrow where the cells are synthesized. These result from condition that result from marrow output. Generally they can be aplastic anemia and leukemias, or they can affect megakaryocytes isolately or selectively. Examples of isolated megakaryocytes destruction are certain drugs and alcohol, which may suppress platelet production through uncertain mechanisms when taken in larger amounts. And the infections which may infect megakaryocytes and inhibit platelet production, and myelodysplastic syndromes which may occasionally present with isolated thrombocytopenia. The second is a decreased platelet survival. Their causes can be immunological or non-immunological. In immune thrombocytopenia, the destruction is caused by deposition of antibodies or immune complexes on platelets. Antibodies to platelet can recognize self antigens, which is are then the antibodies are autoantibodies, or they can sense non-self antigens. They are called alloantibodies. Alloantibodies can arise when platelets are transfused or cross the placenta from the fetus into the mother. As a result, the maternal blood is sensitized and it will produce IgG antibodies, which will cross back into the fetus and cause significantly reduced platelet. This is reminiscent of hemolytic disease of newborn, in which red cells are target. And the non-immunological causes are disseminated intravascular coagulation, the thrombotic microangiopathies, and mechanical injuries, which are seen in case of cardiac prosthetic valves. And the third cause is sequestration. The spleen normally carries 30 to 35% of body platelets, but when the spleen is enlarged, it can carry 80% to 90% and it will produce a moderate degree of thrombocytopenia. And the fourth cause is dilution. Massive transfusion can produce a dilutional thrombocytopenia. With prolonged blood storage, the number of platelets, they will decrease. As a result, when such blood is transfused into the patient, it will revive the plasma volume and red cell mass, but the number of circulating platelets, they are relatively reduced. because such transfusions have no effect on the betterment of platelet counts. This is an overview of what we have just read. They are the causes. They are the decreased production of platelets, decreased platelet survival, sequestration, and dilutions. The decreased production of platelets, they are seen in case of selective impairment of platelet production, in which drugs implicated are alcohol, thiazide, cytotoxic drug. Thiazide, this group is very important because the patients usually take them as antihypertensive drugs. Infections which decrease selective or which cause selective platelet decrease is measles or HIV infections. Nutritional deficiencies, vitamin B12, folate deficiencies causing megaloblastic anemia or leukemia. Bone marrow failure in aplastic anemia or bone marrow replacement, which is usually seen in cancers and metastatic diseases in which normal hematopoietic elements, they are replaced by blast cells. Ineffective hematopoiesis is seen in myelodysplastic syndromes, and then there is a decreased platelet survival seen in immunological destruction and non-immunological destructions. Sequestration is seen in hypersplenism and dilutions in a massive transfusion. Thank you.